2025 Ram 1500 Ramcharger. First look and features review. The automotive world is buzzing with excitement as Ram unveils its groundbreaking 2025 Ram 1500 Ramcharger, a vehicle that promises to revolutionize the pickup truck market. This all-new model marks the return of an iconic name, but with a thoroughly modern twist. Welcome to Auto V-Fix, our YouTube channel exclusively dedicated to all things automotive. Let's dive into what makes the Ramcharger a game-changer in the evolving landscape of electric vehicles. Innovative powertrain. At the heart of the Ramcharger's appeal is its unique powertrain. Unlike traditional pickup trucks or even fully electric models, the Ramcharger adopts a hybrid approach that Ram calls all-electric, but with a twist. The truck features two electric motors, one in the front and one in the rear, providing all-wheel drive capability. However, what sets it apart is the addition of a gasoline-powered 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 engine under the hood. This gasoline engine doesn't directly power the wheels. Instead, it acts as a range extender or generator. This configuration allows the Ramcharger to offer an impressive total driving range of up to 690 miles, rivaling current diesel-powered pickup trucks. It's a clever solution that addresses one of the primary concerns with electric vehicles: range anxiety. Power and performance. The dual-motor electric setup, combined with the range extender, delivers formidable performance figures. Ram claims the Ramcharger will produce about 662 horsepower and 615 lb-ft of torque. These numbers position it competitively against rivals like the Ford F-150 Lightning 580 HP in its extended range version and the Chevrolet Silverado EV RST edition, which offers slightly more power at nearly 700 HP. But the Ramcharger isn't just about raw power. It's designed to be a capable workhorse as well. Ram anticipates payload capacities of up to 2,350 pounds and a towing capability of up to 14,000 pounds. These figures blur the line between half-ton and heavy-duty pickup territories, offering users the best of both worlds. Design and exterior features. At first glance, the Ramcharger might be mistaken for a standard Ram 1500, especially in its luxurious tungsten edition. However, closer inspection reveals several unique design elements that hint at its electrified nature. The front grille, while similar to other Ram 1500 models, features a distinctive light signature that extends from the headlamps towards the center. Parts of the grille are blocked off, a common feature in electric vehicles that require less cooling than their combustion engine counterparts. A new Ram badge adorns the front, signaling the truck's unique identity. The wheels are another telltale sign of the Ramcharger's special status. The model showcased features 22-inch wheels with an 8-lug hub, unusual for a light-duty truck, but necessary given the vehicle's increased weight. These wheels also incorporate partial covers for improved aerodynamics, a crucial factor in maximizing the truck's range. On the sides, you'll find two energy doors, one for electric charging and another for fuel. The Ramcharger is capable of up to 145 kilobars level 3 fast charging, which, while not class-leading, is complemented by the onboard generator's capabilities. The fuel door accesses a generous 28-gallon tank, contributing to the truck's impressive range. At the rear, unique LED taillights with a signature design stretching into the tailgate further differentiate the Ramcharger from its conventional siblings. Interior luxury and technology. Inside, the Ramcharger doesn't disappoint, especially in its top-tier tungsten edition. The interior rivals luxury SUVs in terms of premium materials and attention to detail. Expect to find high-quality leather with intricate perforation patterns, carbon fiber accents, and wood trim throughout the cabin. The centerpiece of the interior is a massive 14.5-inch touchscreen display, complemented by a heads-up display above the steering wheel. Ram's acclaimed Klipsch audio system is also present, with speakers visible even in the headliner, promising an immersive sound experience. Market position and availability. The introduction of the Ramcharger showcases Ram's commitment to electrification while addressing the needs of truck users who require long-range capabilities. It's positioned as a bridge between current combustion engine trucks and fully electric models, potentially appealing to buyers who are interested in electrification but concerned about range or charging infrastructure. Ram has announced that the Ramcharger will go on sale in early 2025. Pricing details are yet to be revealed, but given its innovative powertrain and premium features, especially in higher trims, it's likely to command a premium over traditional Ram 1500 models. In conclusion, the 2025 Ram 1500 Ramcharger represents a bold step into the electrified future of pickup trucks. By combining the power and quietness of an electric vehicle with the range assurance of a gasoline engine, Ram has created a unique proposition in the market. The Ramcharger promises to deliver impressive performance, luxury, and practicality, all while offering a solution to range anxiety. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY automotive content, and hit that notification bell. Drop your comments below. Until next time, stay safe and happy driving.